Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent machinery centrifugal fans are highly suitable for HVAC systems in residential buildings, providing efficient air circulation, temperature control, and humidity management. Our fans operate quietly, ensuring a comfortable living environment without disturbing noise. Customers have highlighted the energy efficiency and reliability of our fans in residential HVAC applications, contributing to reduced energy bills and enhanced comfort. As a manufacturer and supplier, we offer high-quality, reliable solutions for residential HVAC systems.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.